My dear scholars, it's very important that you understand and you try to use the Chinese concepts of those management thoughts and theories which are being presented by the Chinese scholars. And I think in 21st century, you will see more and more theories coming from the Chinese professors. Chinese professors, sometime through interaction with the American or the British professors, leading business schools of West and leading business schools of China and Singapore. इसलिए कि सिंगापुर में भी अक्सरियत चाइनीज की है और उनकी यूनिवर्सिटीज के अंदर भी यू विल फाइंड 80-90% Chinese professors. One very important concept and phenomena which you will see is the revival of Silk Route and the logistic management. Now, I think you might have heard, and you should try to read more about the Silk Route. This is hundreds and thousands of years old business route, commercial pathway through which the silk from China was exported to Middle East and to Europe. And in return, spices and the grains were brought in to China. The textile and the wool were brought back to the China. So this Silk Route, very old route, overland route. And later on, the Silk Route was also developed through seas. Then the railways and the rail tracks from China through Russian states at that time, जिसको आज आप कहेंगे सेंट्रल एशिया, लेकिन उस वक्त ये सब यूएसएसआर था. A rail track starting from China and going all the way to Frankfurt or Hamburg in Germany or Paris. They have revived that because China is exporting so much. और उसकी एक और भी रीजन है. Going through the sea, reaching Europe might take 2 months, more than 2 months. Reviving the rail track from China to Europe takes 10 days, 12 days. So what they have done is, they have opened a rail track जिसमें 200 के करीब, 150 के करीब कंटेनर्स लोड किए हुए हैं और 2-3-4 इंजन लगाए हुए हैं और सामान जो है वो चाइना से लेकर यूरोप के अंदर पहुंच रहा है. That's how the markets in Europe, markets in the United States are flooded with Chinese products. So, revival of this China's old route, around 70 countries to begin with, was not easy. And China, when it started in around 2013 and 12, they are going to spend trillions of dollars on infrastructure, on the routes along the Silk, and on the routes even in the sea. So this infrastructure facilities are built under this initiative, One Belt, One Road. Now think of it. One belt, one road. And they, China, they would like to bring through this one road and through this one belt almost all countries of the world. They are reaching up to Africa. They are going to South America. They are involving Malaysia and Singapore. They want to come through Pakistan, and we'll talk about CPEC. From China, to Gwadar through road. And from Gwadar, all the world is in front of them. So, my dear students, on the basis of the existing railways, China has developed Eurasian and Central Asian rail track, number one. And the land route, Silk route, and the maritime route through the sea. And the purpose is only one. They like to revive their goods and services, and they like to become a superpower calmly and quietly. Thank you very much.